Hello, I am going to show you how to sign in to your Aeries Student Portal account. I'm also going to show you how to change your password if you have forgotten your Aeries password. Start at the school district website, smjuhsd.k12.ca.us. From there, above the picture on the right, there are 4 icons. Choose the one on the right that looks like people. From this page, you need to open 2 links. We're going to start with the Microsoft Office 365 button. Right-click on it and choose Open in New Tab. Scroll down until you see the Aeries icons. Choose the one for parents and students. Right-click on it. Choose Open in New Tab. Go to the Aeries tab. If you do not know your password for Aeries or you have forgotten it, no one is able to look it up for you. So you must go through the Forgot Password process. So below the red button, click Forgot Password. Type in your school email address, which is your 6-digit ID number, at students-smjuhsd.org. Click Next. Now that you're on this page for step 2, pause. Switch tabs to your school email account. Again, you will need to sign into your school email. Same email address, students. And again, enter your password. When this window pops up, if this is your own personal device that you do not share with anyone, you may click Yes. If it is a shared device or a borrowed device, click No. Go to your Outlook, and you should have a message up at the top from Aeries. Go ahead and click on it. We normally tell you not to click on links within your emails. However, you sent a forgot password request. This one is from Aeries. It came from the same email address that they said they would send it from. This link is acceptable to click on, so go ahead and click on it. And now it fills in, it goes back to that step 2 box, and it pre-populates your email address and code. Click Next. Now you're given the option to set a new password. Please go ahead and make this your school password. If you choose to make it a different password, that's fine too. You just need to make sure that you remember it. If you forget your password, you'll have to go through these steps again. And now you can return to the login page and try and sign in. Again, it's your whole email address, your student ID number at students-smjuhsd.org. Click Next. Enter the password you just created. Go ahead and click Sign In. Now, they've given you a little pop-up about something new that's coming. You don't have to try it. You could say maybe later, you could try it. Once your schedule is ready, it'll be ready right here on this page. Okay? When you're done, click your email address in the top right and click Log Out. That's it. Now, if you would like to log in from your school website, you can do that as well. Pioneer Valley on the right-hand side has a button for email and a button for Aeries. Again, make sure you click the one that says Parent Student Portal. Same with Santa Maria High School. You scroll down pretty far on their page. They have a button for school email. It's Blue Outlook, and they have one for the Parent Portal. This just says Parent Portal, but it is parents and students. Rigetti High School also has the same thing. They have an Office 365 button, and down just a little bit below is the Aeries Parent Student Portal. Thank you for your time.